Welcome to Review Rumble. The best wake and bake coffee mug is probably one of the most innovative and convenient ways to start your morning, combining your love for a hot cup of coffee with a discreet and enjoyable smoking experience, all within a single, cleverly designed product that promises to elevate your daily ritual and make those early mornings a little more bearable and a lot more fun. Number 5. Coffee pot shape mug. Introducing a mug that looks just like a classic coffee carafe. It's designed to turn heads and bring a smile to your face. This novelty mug is the perfect gift for any coffee enthusiast. Its unique design makes it a great conversation starter at home or in the office. It comes with a convenient sip-style travel lid, perfect for when you're on the go. Enjoy your favorite brew anywhere, anytime. Hold up to 16 ounces of your favorite hot or cold beverage. It's designed for you to enjoy your drink down to the last drop. Looking for a fun and quirky gift? This mug is a great gag gift for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's sure to be a hit. While it's perfect for coffee, you can also use it for hot tea, hot chocolate, or iced beverages. It's a versatile addition to your drinkware collection. What we like. This mug looks like a classic coffee pot, offering a unique visual appeal. It comes with a convenient sip lid for on-the-go use and holds a generous 16 ounces. If you're looking for a conversation starter and a fun way to enjoy your coffee, this is the mug for you. It's perfect for those who appreciate novelty and want to add a touch of humor to their daily routine. What people say. The mug is a great conversation starter and holds a good amount of coffee. It's a fun and unique gift for any coffee lover, and the design is really cool. The mug is well made and durable, and it's dishwasher safe, which is a big plus. Number 4. Cupa Joe 20-ounce glass diner pot mug. Embrace a touch of vintage charm with this uniquely shaped mug. It brings humor and style to your morning coffee or your office desk. Take your coffee anywhere with confidence. The secure silicone lid ensures a mess-free experience, perfect for your commute or a walk. Looking for a viral hit? This hilarious mug is a guaranteed crowd pleaser for coffee lovers, dads, and coworkers alike. Crafted from durable borosilicate glass, it's safe for both piping hot coffee and refreshing cold brew. Its design offers an easy grip and fits larger hands. Enjoy more of your favorite beverage with its generous 20-ounce capacity. Designed for durability, it even fits most car cup holders. What we like. This mug boasts a nostalgic diner pot design and a large 20-ounce capacity, making it ideal for those who need a substantial coffee fix. It's also designed to fit most car cup holders, perfect for your daily commute. If you're a dad, a frequent traveler, or just love a vintage aesthetic with modern convenience, this is a great choice. What people say. This mug is a game changer for my morning routine. It heats up quickly and keeps my coffee at the perfect temperature for hours. I love the sleek design of this mug. It looks great on my desk and is comfortable to hold. The battery life on this mug is impressive. I can use it all day without needing to recharge. Number 3. Halloween Zombie Color Changing Coffee Mug. Introducing a coffee mug that brings your favorite horror to life. Watch in amazement as a chilling zombie design is revealed with heat. This isn't just any mug, it's a heat-sensitive marvel. Pour in your hot beverage and witness the magic as the black exterior transforms into a realistic, terrifying zombie. Crafted from premium, heat-sensitive ceramic, this mug is both durable and safe. Enjoy its exquisite design and the fun it brings to your daily coffee ritual. Looking for a unique gift? Surprise your horror-loving friends and family with this novelty mug. It's guaranteed to bring a scream of delight to any occasion. With an 11-ounce capacity, it's perfect for your daily dose of caffeine. Use it at home or in the office to add a touch of fun and personality. To preserve its enchanting color-changing effect, please hand wash this mug. It's microwave safe but avoid the dishwasher to keep the horror alive. What we like. This mug features a heat-sensitive, color-changing design that reveals a spooky zombie image, perfect for horror fans. It's an 11-ounce mug, ideal for a standard serving of coffee or tea. If you're looking for a unique and fun gift for Halloween, Christmas, or as a white elephant present, especially for someone who loves horror movies, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The mug is well made and keeps coffee hot for a long time. The built-in warmer is a game changer, no more cold coffee. Love the design, it's both functional and looks great on my desk. Number 2. 3-in-1 cup lid cleaning brush set. Introducing our new 3-in-1 cleaning brush set, designed to tackle all your cleaning needs. It includes specialized brushes for cups, narrow spaces, and tight corners. Crafted from high-quality, durable materials, these brushes are built to last. They are washable and can withstand high temperatures, ensuring effective cleaning every time. Experience hassle-free cleaning with our set. Featuring different bristle types and a hook remover, it makes thorough cleaning easy and convenient. Our brushes are designed for convenience and organization. They feature a rotatable, interchangeable design and hanging holes for easy storage, keeping your space clutter-free. These versatile brushes are perfect for a variety of items. Use them for cups, bottles, kettles, and other household essentials, making them indispensable for all your cleaning tasks. What we like. This product is a versatile 3-in-1 cleaning brush set designed specifically for cup lids and tight spaces. It features different brush types for various cleaning needs and is made from durable, washable materials. If you struggle with cleaning the nooks and crannies of your bottles, cups, and lids, this tool set will make the task effortless and efficient. What people say. The mug is a great way to start your morning. It's perfect for coffee lovers who want to enjoy their favorite beverage while getting a little buzz. The mug is designed to be both functional and stylish. Number 1. OTOTO New Joe Travel Coffee Mug. Introducing Joe, the travel coffee mug designed to impress. His comfortable silicone sleeve keeps your hands protected while you enjoy your favorite hot or cold beverages. Designed for sips, not slips. This mug features a splash-proof lid and a secure seal to prevent any leaks or spills, no matter where your day takes you. Built with a sturdy body, he can handle both hot and cold drinks without any issues. From your morning coffee to chilled wine, he's always ready. Looking for a unique gift? This mug is a delightful choice for commuters, outdoor enthusiasts, or as a fun novelty or white elephant present. From the award-winning OTOTO studio, known for making everyday tasks more enjoyable. Their cute and clever gadgets bring fun to your routine. This product has been featured on major platforms like Netflix, BuzzFeed, and the New York Times, garnering over 500 million views online. What we like. This travel mug features a charming silicone sweater sleeve for comfortable grip and a spill-proof sipper for mess-free drinking. It holds 13 ounces and is designed for both hot and cold beverages. If you're looking for a stylish, functional, and cute travel mug that's perfect for daily commutes or outdoor adventures, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The mug heats up quickly and keeps my coffee at the perfect temperature for hours. I love the sleek design and how comfortable it is to hold. The lid also fits snugly, preventing spills. The battery life is impressive, it lasts all day on a single charge, which is great for busy mornings. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.